Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm April at Stunning Style. I share classic outfit inspiration as well as style and beauty tips and tricks on my blog and here on YouTube. This week I'm sharing what I wore when I loved stripes. My daughter always says that stripes are my favorite color, and I can't disagree with her. I love stripes. I can't get enough. I have striped everything in my closet, and just when I think I don't need more, I find one more thing. So this week I'm styling stripes in the different ways that I love them. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below so you're notified every time a new video goes live. You don't want to miss any of my new content. I post every Thursday and sometimes in between. I hope this is inspirational. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next week.